Did you know a royal dinner once ended with two teenagers being dragged out and executed while a six-year-old king cried and begged for their lives? It was 1440 in Edinburgh Castle. The powerful Douglas family had grown too strong, and the men running Scotland on behalf of young King James II wanted them gone. So they sent an invitation. Come to dinner with the king. The Earl of Douglas and his younger brother accepted. They sat down, shared a meal, and then the servants carried something to the table, a black bull's head. Everyone in that room knew exactly what it meant. It was a death sentence, delivered over dinner. The boys were hauled outside and killed within hours. The child king screamed and wept. Nobody listened. The men who did this were not enemies. They were the king's own advisors, using hospitality as a weapon. George R.R. Martin later said the Black Dinner inspired the Red Wedding, but the real version is darker, because unlike in the story, those boys knew exactly what was coming.